I've been trying out the Promanage Retirement Planner in 2025, and it's shaping up to be a valuable tool for individuals who want to actively plan for their future without feeling overwhelmed by complex financial software. It's designed to make retirement planning accessible and structured, no matter your current income level or investment experience. What I appreciate about Promanage is its step-by-step approach to retirement goals. You start by inputting basic financial details, like your age, income, savings, and target retirement age, and the platform uses that data to build a customized retirement roadmap. It then provides projections based on different saving strategies and investment scenarios, helping you understand what adjustments might be needed to stay on track. The tool is proactive in showing you how small monthly changes today can make a big difference down the line. The design is clean, and the experience feels guided without being restrictive. It doesn't try to do everything like some larger platforms, but instead focuses on giving clear, actionable insights for retirement. You also get alerts and reminders to help keep you consistent with your goals. However, it's worth noting that Promanage may not offer the same depth in investment analysis or third-party integrations as more advanced financial platforms. It's more of a guided planning tool than a full financial dashboard. If you're looking for a straightforward, beginner-friendly way to map out your retirement strategy and stay organized along the way, Promanage is a solid choice. It's especially helpful for those who want a balance of automation and control without needing to become a financial expert. If this review gave you some clarity, be sure to like the video, share it with someone planning for retirement, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful insights. Thanks for watching.